Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive into one of the most iconic indicators in technical analysis, that parabolic SAR. This indicator was created by John Wells Wilder, the same guy who developed RSI, ATR and much more. He introduced parabolic SAR back in 1978, can you imagine? And it's still using by traders. The name SAR stands for stop and reverse. That's exactly what this tool is designed for, to help you find trend direction and potential reversal points. On your chart, the parabolic SAR appears as a series of dots either above or below the price. If the dots are below, the trend is bullish. If the dots are above, the trend is bearish. It's called parabolic because the dots follow a curved path like a parabola, getting closer to the price as the trend continues. But before we begin, I want to remind you that we have a VIP Telegram channel where I personally share trading signals every single day and our subscribers follow along. Right now, we're on a winning streak, not a single losing session in the past month. Can you imagine? Every day we're closing in profit. A lot of new traders have recently joined, but we are still accepting members, so make sure to join while it's still free. All the instructions are in the pinned comment below. Watch this video till the end and I'll review how you can boost your deposit by up to 60% completely free. Okay, let's discuss the strategy. Here's the key. The farther dots are from each other, the stronger the trend. When the dots start getting closer together, momentum is slowing down. The closer the dot is to the candle, the closer the market is to a potential reversal. Important note, parabolic SAR works best in trading markets. Just trading markets, remember. It's not reliable during sideways or flat conditions, so always make sure you're using it in a market with a clear direction. For short-term trades, like on the 1-minute candles, the safest way to use parabolic SAR is to wait for the first dot to appear on the opposite side of the price, indicating a possible trend reversal. And for extra confirmation, I usually wait for one full candle to close in the new direction before opening a trade. This reduces the chance of getting caught in a false signal. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I trade with parabolic SAR live on pocket option, including how to spot reversals, when to enter and when to stay out. So let's do this. Okay, let's go. Today I'm trading with just one indicator, parabolic SAR. We'll be using the 1-minute time frame, and trade direction will also be set to 1 minute. Let's start by setting it up. I open the parabolic SAR indicator and we can immediately see the dots above the Japanese candlesticks. I won't change the default settings, so they already work well for 1 minute. But I'll slightly adjust the style to make it easier for you to follow visually. So here's what you need to know. When the trend is bearish, the dots appear above the candles. When the trend is bullish, they appear below. The farther apart the dots are, the stronger the trend. The closer they are, the more likely the trend is about to reverse. Also, when the dot gets very close to the candle, it's another sign that the trend may soon flip. As this strategy will trade with the trend, but we will catch the impulse right at the moment of trend reversal and enter on the first or second candle after the flip. And it's a solid strategy, and honestly, I don't know why I haven't made a video on parabolic SAR before. It's definitely underrated on YouTube. Let's break it down live. I'm waiting for the trend to shift. As soon as that happens, I'll enter my first trade. Today I'm using my own high limit setup 500, 1000, even up to 3000, maybe more. I've allocated about 30,000, 32,000. This is good budget for this session. I'll be trading carefully, but as you know, trading is trading. And sometimes we need to use a multiplier to recover losses or amplify gains. The first thing we do is wait for confirmation of a trend reversal. This is important for this strategy. In this case, I'm waiting for the first dot to appear above a green candle, signaling a switch to a downward trend. Next candle should ideally be red, and that's when I'll be ready to enter. But now just patient. We waiting. We just waiting. Once you understand this visually, it's all very clear. I'll fast forward some of the trades to save time since we're not on 5-second candles today. This strategy is much smoother and more balancing than my usual aggressive style, as you know, like impulse sniper or like just my typical scalping strategies. Now we are seeing the dots coming closer together. That's usually a good sign. I'm just waiting for that new dot to appear above the candle, which tells me we've got a confirmed reversal. And we are ready to go short. The dots are closer and closer. Look. Yes. Our moment is coming. Our moment is coming. You see, it's almost touched the dot. And now, yes, we see the dot and we open our trade. The Parabolic SAR is clearly indicating that the trend is reversing to the downside. I expect at least 8, maybe 10 candles in this new trend, so I confidently open another trend right now. Sometimes after the first entry, when we spot an even better setup, it makes sense to use a multiplier to hedge, recover losses, or simply to maximize profits. Even we'll lose one trade now, but as you can see, the new candle is almost orange. Yes, it's going orange now. I try to squeeze every opportunity. When the trend is clear and a setup is strong, you go for it. As I placed big trades, but they were strategic, not random, believe me. 18,000, yes, half of our budget on the fourth candle of the downtrend. But as you can see, we're very close to our big win now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom shakalaka. Yes, the biggest win. Let's go next. Let's see another pair. Here the trend is very, very clear downward, but here, oh, you can see the trend just start to go bullish. Green candles. You see the dots from indicator. This is important one. So now I want to open this 3,000 and maybe even more. 6,000 looks good for me. It's better position. That's why I open another 6,000, because this is a really better position to open. And as you can see, this setup is work for now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom! I love this feeling. From 30 to 60,000. Double up. Trading with strategy. Staying calm even when half the deposit is in play. I just want this candle be green. It will be good idea now to open another 6,000 to hedge our and protect our first deal. I think the idea is good. It's smart. Minus, but as you can see, it's very good that we open another trade for 6,000 using this wonderful indicator, using this wonderful profitable strategy. But we're still waiting. 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect, perfect. Let's see what we can make. Extra, I'll do like this. 3 different entry points on the same trend, on the same pair. And as you can see, the upper we open, the therefore we have this trade. 9,000 in the game. Following the trend, downward trend. Hey, this bear, Californian bear, help me. Help me to make this profit extra. Do you guys believe in luck? I do believe in luck, but the more I believe in good strategies. And yes, of course, indicators, it's not 100% wins, but in the same time, if you found a good indicator with good strategy, it's amazing. Yes, that's how it's amazing. 17,000. Wow, winner, winner, chicken dealer. Another 3,000. Same trend. I will trade today before I will see my magic numbers in my account. It's looking good. It's looking good. Open for 9,000 more. It's better entry point, as I can see. But even first one, it's a win. And now, let me just relax. 9,000 in the game. We just want to see another winning trade. I'm usually trade the strategy till candle 8, maybe maximum 7 is better to stop and find another pair. Yes. Bravo, bravo guys. 79,000. Wow, 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 wow. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you will make money on this strategy. You saw how we followed the trend, just watched the dots basically and timed the entries. We closed it with 79,000 profit. This might be one of my best sessions in this month. What can I say? Thank you for watching and I hope that you will see next strategy with more appetite. Special bonus for viewers, use promo code Dawit and get a 50% deposit bonus on pocket option. 160%. Just message me. I'll tell you how to get it personally. Important, bonuses are available only if you register through the links in the description, so don't miss it out. Well, that's it for today. See you in the next video and may the profit be with you. Peace.